Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einem neuen Elevator-Vlog. Ich habe heute den DJ Angelo wieder dabei und heute gucken wir uns einmal das Algoriddim DJ DVS an. Und wir werden gleich auf Englisch weiterreden. Daher würden wir euch empfehlen, einmal die Untertitel anzumachen, damit ihr alles perfekt versteht. Das ist jetzt sozusagen der zweite Part. Das heißt, wenn ihr den ersten Part noch nicht geschaut habt, guckt einmal da oben drauf und schaut euch vielleicht das erste Video an, weil wir gehen hier ein bisschen schneller durch die ganze Sache durch, um nicht einfach alles nochmal zu erklären. Und wir wünschen euch viel Spaß beim Video. Hey Angelo.
Hey Kirian.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you too.
So in the first part we talked about the Algoriddim DJ app in general, and now I see turntables in front of me.
Yes, we do.
So it means Algoriddim.
Yeah, we now have a DVS integration. It's been long awaited, which is really exciting for all of us, especially guys like me who love to scratch, because we now can control our music, scratch it, mix it, even from an iPhone or an iPad, and have an even smaller setup in the clubs with us. No more laptops are required.
Yeah.
So it's a big deal, and it works really, really well. It's plug and play. The only thing you need is an adapter to go between the device and the hardware. I have an official Apple camera kit adapter, which is basically Lightning on this end and regular USB on this end. You could use a hub as well, like the stand hub, any kind of device to go between.
For that device, we put it in the description, so you can check it out and have the same setup as we have. So now we have it plugged into.
Yeah, the mixer detected the software, as you can see, and the next step is to calibrate the control vinyl. I'm using official DJ control vinyl, but you can also use third-party control vinyls as well. And so basically you want to have the needle on the record, of course, go to your settings and go to DVS, select the deck that you want to calibrate. So I'm going to go for deck 2 here. And then you want to play the record at 0% first of all and press calibrate. It's automatically done for you. And then the second step is to do the same again with the record stopped. And that's now done and ready to give you the perfect signal. And while we're here, I'll show you an extra setting, the audio buffer size. That is basically the latency. So if you're a scratcher like me, you're going to want to have the lowest setting, which is 64 frames. And yeah, that works really, really nice.
So now. I don't notice any difference to a laptop.
Yeah, there is no difference. You know, our smartphones are just as powerful as MacBooks now, so yeah, it works by magic. It's amazing.
Okay, so that's pretty much just the normal DVS function, just on the phone, which is incredible. But you got one more thing up your sleeves.
Yeah, we didn't stop there because DVS is not new. We wanted to add something new to the table with the introduction of DVS. So we have a special feature called Neural Mix Vinyl on the B side, which is basically 3 5-minute tracks that allows you to control Neural Mix in the software just by needle dropping onto those tracks. So the first of those 3 tracks is playing the song as normal. But the second track creates a real-time instrumental, so it basically mutes the vocals, and the third track creates a real-time a cappella, soloing the vocals. And you can go between those at any time, and you can also do everything, scratch, do all of your MIDI stuff at the same time.
And you can also do it on the mixer, right?
That's right. So this is in addition to the standard Neural Mix controls, which I can control via the mixer. And also Neural Mix filter.
Oh.
So we have multiple options of controlling, manipulating Neural Mix Yeah, just so many possibilities.
Yeah, I'm just thinking for the performance DJs that it opens up completely new gates and things that you can do and be much more creative while being much more mobile.
Yeah.
I really love this feature and everything about it. Yeah. Thank you very much for your time, Angelo.
Yeah, you're welcome.
If you like this video, please consider liking or subscribing even. And we are happy to see you next time.